Hello, my name is Sandra Garcia. This is Activity for Up in English. They chose the Hotel California and the Eagles. The song is very interesting because the initial very instrumentalization. For example, I can hear the guitars, a battery, a bat, and the trompetes. Other situation in the song is the melody is low and the voice is very concentrated. The song is very interesting because I tried the routine in nothing special. Is you are feel calm and maybe happy, but the thing is very different for the you think because it's possible you speak for the hotel because at the place for the relax and the joy, but the really is the actors is reflect the problematic in the United States in 1976. Is the problem is the drugs and the liberally for the free and society and the decomposition for the society and the principal. But the topic for the thing is the one first in the list Billboard in 1977 is very in the moment is in classic the music, but always generation sing the here the scene is identification, but the song is the various histories. For example, say the actors I chose the pact with Taboli Pactic and with the change the money for the song. Another is on the woman spirit in the Hotel California, and very in others urban story in the moment is all the person of the people works in the spectacular. I think the other persons, other bands plays the song. I think is no more interested with the Eagles because the song is a legend. I liked the song. One moment, please. Mirrors on the ceiling, the beach and paradise, she said, where an ostrich prisoner hears What about device that the master chambers they gather for the feast? They bet if they're still nice, but the kids can the beats. Lastly, I remember I was running for the door. I had to the passage back for the place I was before. Realizing the man we are programmed to receive. You can check in a new track in life, but you can never leave. This part, I like the most like the song, the sing, and the sing is during for 6 minutes, but the initial and the final, the sing is instrumental. Or the when the where the guitars spawns your ability for the play the guitar. And in the part I like because they refer for the one first the spirit the woman and the person the visited the Hotel California. I prisoners. I can't believe I can't hear live of the Hotel California. Maybe refer for the when you are you drug it's possible exit for the this addiction. Thank you. Good night. Good